Yes, we shall pass on to the other part, that is the preparation of balance sheets. For the preparation of balance sheets, what is the very important item required? The opening capital is required. Up to 22nd, almost in all the problems, when we are supposed to prepare balance sheet, the opening capital is given. So, for the preparation of balance sheet, we require opening capital. But in this problem number 23, no opening capital is given. So what we must do? We must prepare a balance sheet in the beginning of this year. And also, I want to rectify the date. What is given at the top of the income and expenditure, you should read as 31/3/2018. 31/3/2018. This is correct. 31/12/2018 is wrongly written. This is wrongly written. This is the correct date. You just check it and change the date. Okay? Right. 31/3/2018 should have been written on the top of the income and expenditure account, but there is 12 instead of 3, there is 12, you correct it. Okay, now we come back to this balance sheet. Since no opening capital is given for the year 17/18, for the year 17/18, what should be the opening date? That is 1/4/17 to 31/3/18. This is the accounting year. So we should prepare the opening balance sheet to find the opening capital. What all the assets and the liabilities available in the beginning of this accounting year, we should write it there and find the opening capital. Now what we are going to do in this blackboard. See, no opening capital is given. So far we have prepared only income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. But in this problem, since there is no opening capital, we should prepare balance sheet at the beginning of the year to find the opening capital. Then we shall pass on to the balance sheet at the end of the year. See, very important it is. Since it is an additional work for us, since there is no opening capital, we should prepare the balance sheet in the beginning of the year, that is as on 1/4/2017. What are the items available? We shall see it now. Cash in hand. This is asset. And this one is liabilities. Under assets, what we should write? Cash in hand. Cash in hand, 10,000. Cash at bank. Cash at bank, 20,000. Once again, I recall just the brought down is the opening balance and the carry down is the year-end balance, closing balance. So since we are preparing the balance sheet for the year beginning as on 1/4/2017, what are the assets available on the beginning of the accounting year, we should write it. Okay then, cash in hand 10,000, cash at bank 20,000, then Subscription 2016-17. Listen very carefully. These are all the receipts received under 17-18. 17-18 during this period. Since during this period, an amount of rupees 5,000 was received for 16 and 17. This year, the subscription is received for the past year. இந்த வருஷத்துல போன வருஷத்துக்கு தான் வாங்குறோம். So, in the beginning, it is the last year's outstanding. So, the last year's outstanding will be in the beginning of the next year. Therefore, subscription outstanding for 2016-17 is 5,000. It is given there. For the same year, go to the additional information. For the same year, the subscription, the last additional information number 3, the subscription still due but not received for 16-17. Even at the end of the year, outstanding, due, not yet received. 2016-17, 5,000 plus 1,000, so it comes totally 6,000. I repeat this point once again. Under the heading subscription, there is an amount of 5,000 which is received during this accounting year. Once some amount for the past year is received during this year means it is the outstanding of the previous year. The outstanding of the previous year end will be in the beginning of this year. The outstanding income will appear on the asset side, and therefore I have written 5,000 there. And in additional information, it is clearly given subscription due but not received for the same previous year is 1 more 1,000. Therefore, the total outstanding subscription for this year is 6,000. So, then the next one, what else we can see? The 3 items we have written, and go to the next item. The club had furniture. The club had furniture, rupees 10,000 on 1/4/2017. As on 1/4/2017, there is an asset which is called here furniture. Furniture 10,000. Furniture 10,000. So, no such liability is available here. So, this is 46,000. Here the total is 0. So, you write the same 46,000 here also. The balancing figure is 46,000. That is surplus, that is capital fund. Capital fund 46,000. Capital fund, this is the 46,000. No other item to be written on the liability side. Therefore, capital fund is 46,000. That is the balancing figure. This we can write even since the capital fund is in the beginning. Therefore, we can call it as opening capital fund. 46,000. Once again, I repeat it. The second, suppose you are supposed to prepare both income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. We have already prepared income and expenditure account. Now we are trying to prepare the balance sheet. For the preparation of balance sheet, this opening capital fund should be available or should be given in the problem, but actually not given in the problem. When the opening capital is not given in the problem, what we will have to prepare? We will have to prepare a balance sheet with the assets and the liabilities available in the beginning of the year. So we have prepared the balance sheet as of 1/4/2017, and under balance brought down, that is the cash in hand and the cash in bank in the beginning of the year, that we have returned, and the furniture in the beginning of the year in additional information given 10,000 we have returned. This is the task for us how to write here. In the receipts side, the amount received for the year 2016-17 is 5,000. For the year 16-17 is 5,000. What does it mean? This year we have received 5,000 rupees for the previous year. So what does it mean? Previous year it was pending, it was outstanding, that the amount is received during this year. Therefore it is the last year's outstanding which will appear definitely in the beginning of the year. Therefore it is 5,000. And in the additional information, 1/4 information is given regarding the outstanding subscription. What is it? Still not yet received 1,000 rupees for this 16-17. So you write this also, totally 6,000. So on the asset side it is 46,000. Liability side there is no such item. So the balance sheet figure is 46,000, which is called capital fund. Since this capital fund is in the beginning of this year, we can write it as opening capital.